again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the MANSCAPED. This is the Shears 2.0. Look at this beautiful case it comes in. Just really fancy looking. And you can see it has everything right here for you to utilize. We're going to take these out and show you what's included. So everything slides out. It's on a little slider piece right here. And you see it's held in place by the stainless steel rectangular section right there. And then you have access to everything. You got your filer right there, and you got these nice precision scissors with a little safety round edge so that you can't stab yourself. And you have some precision tweeter and you have some precision tweezers right here, and a real accurate, they're honed to perfection. Then you have this final piece right here, which is this really cool nail clipper. It's all flat until you open this up right here, and then it has a spring mechanism on there, and then you have the ability to trim your nails nice, and when you're done you just push this in like that. There's also a file built in on there, which is really cool. Then you close it like that and it stays right in place. So after testing, what do you think about the MANSCAPED, the Shears 2.0? I love this product. All organized in one place. They have all the tools you need to keep your nails looking perfect and stylish and thin at the same time. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.